Welcome to another tutorial. In this one we're just going to be having a quick look at lists in Python. So here I've got a variable and I'm just going to assign it a list, and I just do that by putting the opening brackets there and putting the list value, in this case strings, inside each one, separated by a comma. So I've got 3 values here, and I'm going to just print out the variable and just print out the first value. So there we go, Google. Now that's because the first value here is, this is the first value 1 here. If I wanted to print out Apple, I would have to select 0 as the number from the list that I would want to print. Let me just run that. Apple, there we go. And that's because the list starts 0, 1, 2. So it always starts at 0 every time. So there we go, that's lists. Now if I wanted to change the list and change one of the functions inside the list, sorry about those gunshots there, I would need to type in list var. Let me see, list var assign 1 equals Facebook. So there we go, and I'll just change that to 1 as well. So at the moment it's going to be Google if the list variable is Google, but it's going to change on this line to Facebook, and then on this line it should print out Facebook. So let's try it, and there we go, it's printed out Facebook. So that's a quick overview of lists. I hope you found that helpful. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and we'll hopefully see you for more Python videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.